It all started one night. I was up late night, an all-nighter. I never slept for days. It was almost a week I haven't slept. Just researching, on a search. I was tired, never slept. Bags were forming under my eyes, discouraged. My will was broken. I was just hoping to find it. But one night, I lost all hope, spirit, and gut, sweating, until I lost my internet connection, just to get away from reality, to take out the stress. I resorted to play a little game till I lost.
Yo, back at it again. Friendly neighborhood attack over here. Ladies and gentlemen, back with the. Nah, that was so cringe. That intro was so flippin' cringe. You know, you guys really do deserve a beautiful intro. Like a beautiful. I owe you that one. I really do owe you that one beautiful intro. You get what I'm saying? So this is the first time you guys get to see my face, and I gotta have to make it count. You dig? So you part of the neighborhood, and you know, look. Let me give you the beautiful intro. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Give it up. Yes. Hmm. That's a beautiful intro and a welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I really thank you. No. In fact, thank you for having me. It is I, the friendly neighborhood otaku. You know, right before your eyes. You get what I'm saying? So you dig what I'm saying? So this is how I look, this is how I am, and this is how I roll, people. This is the first time I shall introduce myself officially. This is the friendly neighborhood otaku with the afro. This is some look, guys. Look, the man's gotta look smart. Like you gotta look look at the drip. Even the hair itself is drip, guys. Look. Well, see, guys, the purpose of this video, guys. I will be doing an unboxing. You dig what I'm saying? You dig. So, right now I ordered a package, a parcel, whatever you want to call it, and they delivered it, I don't know, like a couple days ago. And, I was like, I was so excited for this package, to be honest. And I was like, no, I gotta show it to the fam. I gotta show it to the friendly neighborhood otaku, to my sons and daughters. I gotta show it to you guys. I was thinking that was the first thing that came to mind. You guys, friendly neighborhood otaku. You're in my household now. You're in my neighborhood. My children. So I just thought I could show you this package and just open it for you guys. And I didn't open this. I was like, nah. Despite all that excitement, I just had to wait a couple of days just for you guys, people. You cannot say Otaku don't love you. Otaku loves you. He's your very own.
Okay.
So, let us commence with the unboxing, people. Thank you. My lips are ashy. I cannot go on with this video with my lips looking like this. I mean, how my words gonna slip out really slick? Bar.
You weird, buddy. You're weird.
I didn't open this. Hey guys, so this is the package, sealed as promised, and it has been, delivered to me like a couple days ago, like I said. So as promised, I was so excited to show you guys this, and I was so excited to open it, but as you can see, sealed. Trust my word next time, people. Trust my word. And I ordered it from Takealot. It's upside down. So it's upside down. Takealot. So
Bruh.
look, guys, don't concern yourself like this. Don't concern yourself about this. Look, it's just this is how they deliver it. Like I didn't open this. I didn't open this.
Stop it. Get some help.
Look, they dropped the box, so they had to close it again, and they do that standard procedure, checking the product if it's in good condition, which they unseal it. And,
Okay.
anyways, moving on. Yeah, you cannot tell me that you guys are still mad. Come on, grow up now. Relax. Look, I didn't open the box. Look, maybe I did open the box, man. It was a little peek, just a little peek. I didn't use the product. Yo, guys, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Yo, I hope you guys are very, very excited. Like, I'm really, really excited. Oh, guys. Yo. Alright. Yo, before I open this thing, the moments of silence. Okay, we back at it. People, let us commence. Nothing beats a little bit of flash, people. Clever thing. Alright, guys, we've opened it, and the first thing that comes through is a flipping manual, guys. I hope you guys do read your manuals. I hope you guys really do read your manuals, guys, because I always do. And you should always read your manuals because it gives you guidance on how to use the product at its full potential. Like, guys, look, this is common sense. This is common. Look. Like, let me read it off, so we can all get an idea on what's going on in this product. You see, so it says in line 1, instruction 1. Before installing driver, please close all graphics. Yeah, this is too long. Anyways, read your manuals all the time, people. Guys, here we go. It even has its own packaging, guys. This is some professional type of ish. You get what I'm saying? This is some professional type of ish. It even has its sponge, guys. Look. I wish you guys could feel this. Oh my word. It's so cool. Look at this. It's a drawing tablet, guys. For the longest of time, I've been. Man, I've been sweating on this thing. I've been wanting this thing. Guys, you have no idea. Guys, I can't explain. You see the guy? He made the sponge. Like that's just in case for someone who just decides to fumble with the product, like just flipping fumbling with it. I'm just glad, like just in case when someone just decides to fumble with the product and trying to stop the friendly neighborhood attacker from moving forward, this will be safe. One day, guys, I'll be able to pull off artworks like this, guys. Just you wait. Just you wait. It has its different sections of buttons. I do not know, I think when you connect it to you're able to connect it to your laptop by using this. You can connect it to your Android, anywhere actually, connect it to your Android anywhere and be able to use it, use it. It has its own sensitive pen, which is this. And it's easy to use this thing. So these are just shortcuts that you set on the settings, and where you wouldn't have to struggle so much to use this thing. It just makes it easier for the process of creating. This is the product. I mean, not the product, the cable. Connect this part either to the laptop, or you can connect it to the Android using this piece. Just makes the whole creation process much more easier for us artists out there. Modern problems needs modern solutions, and this is what we need. This is what we have. This is what we have. Wait, guys, look. I'm even tearing up, guys. Look. Wait, I don't know. You can see, I'm tearing up. You have no idea, guys. You have no idea. This is so emotional for me, it's so.
Expose him! Expose him!
It's so emotional for me, guys. Yeah, it's emotional. And look at this. Look, it even has a pen. The pen. This is the thing, Huion. Can you see the things over there? Yeah. You can change this nib over here. Can you see it? Yeah, you might not be able to see that. Look at that beauty, people. Look at this. Apparently, if you use this one for a while and then you just change it, you know the whole thing. This one finishes, you put a new one. You know the whole shebang. You don't need me to flip and explain everything like some children people. Just to bring it all to a close, guys, thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for I achieved this goal, which means it'll open new doors and new beautiful opportunities, guys. Which means there's something worthwhile to achieve. This is just only a step closer to what I've been wanting to achieve, my dream. I just thank God for this. I really do thank my mom. She was a big supporter of, helping me to get this Rain tablet, of course. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Lots of love. I love you. And I thank God, because it came out of nowhere, and I really thank God for this opportunity. And credit all to God.
Alright, guys, I'm just packing up right here, and I'm gonna test out this baby boy. Right, anyways, guys.